Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 39 of my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow the portfolio to $55,000 in the first year of investing. As you can see, the portfolio is up to $45,918. We're up $5,200 or 12.77% all time. The account has been open for, I believe next week will be a year. So this is the second last episode in the series, episode 39. So next week will be 40, and that's where we'll cap it off, and then I'll be starting my new series. But again, very good gains with the account, can't complain, and I don't think we'll meet our goal unless the S&P skyrockets in the next week, which I don't think will happen, but you never know. Never say never. Okay, so just to go through the charts here of this account, in the past day, we're down $39 in the past week. We're up $438 past month, $761. Past 3 months, $1,422. In the past year, we're up $5,197, 12.7678%. So again, great gains in the past year. Again, 12% gain is incredible. Again, just dollar cost averaging into the S&P 500. And as I mentioned before, unfortunately, we weren't able to do it every single week. As you can tell, it's episode 40, so we were able to do 40 weeks or so. So still made some substantial gains, like I said. And at the beginning of the year, I was focused primarily on maxing out my registered accounts. As you guys may or may not know, this is a non-registered account or a margin account, which is taxed on the gains once I take the money out or receive dividends. So it's both taxed at my normal tax bracket. So if you have any questions, concerns, just let me know. Again, we have about $1,000 to play with into the account. So let's continue to dollar cost average into VFV into the portfolio. So we're going to be doing max shares again, as always. Submit order. Done. Awesome. Again, VFV trading at a fairly decent amount, but again, it's key. VFV is still going up. So again, we'll pick up the dips as it goes down, and it's still a very fair stock to be trading in, and I would recommend you guys do the same. So without further ado, let's go check out the crypto account, and we'll see how that's going. So check back in 2 seconds. Hey guys, so the crypto account is up to $3,218. We're up $656 or 25% all time. As you can see, the crypto numbers are slowly climbing. Again, we have $100 to play with today. We're gonna be dividing that between Bitcoin and Ethereum. So $50 into each quantity. No, we're going price. Perfect. And again, what we're doing is buying crypto to hedge against inflation. It's just another investment tool that's a little bit different from the stock market. So I always preach diversification. You guys should be diversified amongst investments in general, like I do with the S&P 500 that holds 500 different companies as well. So that is considered also diversification. So without further ado, before letting you guys go, let's jump over to the Blossom account so you can see how the total dividends have been accruing with this portfolio. So the dividend portfolio is matched through Blossom Social, which is an amazing investing app with a great social community. If you guys haven't already, download it in the link in the description. This is the pro version, which shows how much the dividends or how many dividends or dollars with dividends you're accruing through a yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily basis. So let's go through the charts here quick. Annually, a portfolio like mine, this is including my registered as well as non-registered account, is gaining $3,738 in dividends. On a monthly basis, we're making $311. On a daily basis, we're making $10.24 in dividends. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, second last episode in the series. Tune in for the last episode next week, and then we'll be diving into a new series. So hopefully you guys are looking forward to that. But enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck with investing, and happy investing.